Welcome to Lane Avail University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm going to give you the Avail 101, Avail Car Share 101. This is what you have to do. And this is all you have to do. Understand how you're going to be paid. When you sign your card for Avail, month 1 through 3, you will earn $300 passively, guaranteed, regardless if your car is not even rented. If it just sits there, doesn't get rented, does not matter, you get paid $300. Month 4 to 6, you'll earn $375 guaranteed earnings. This works in the same fashion as I explained earlier. You'll still get paid regardless, even if your car's not rented. Month 7 plus and beyond, like where I'm at, you earn $450 even if your car is not rented. $450 per month, even if your car is just there. That's the one-on-one of Avail, just understanding the pay structure. Month 1 through 3, $300. Month 4 to 6, $375 per month. And then month 7 and beyond, $450 per month per car. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Conrad Layn out. Peace.